Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making Brussels sprouts in the Ninja Foodi Grill. You guys, they are so good. They're crispy. They're perfect. So definitely I suggest making the Brussels sprouts in the Ninja Foodi Grill. The air fryer feature makes it so convenient and it's so easy to do. It's a couple steps and only a couple ingredients. If you guys like to add more, you definitely can. Just alter the recipe a little bit to your liking. But I show you my method on how to make the Brussels sprouts. Be sure to hit that like button. If you guys are interested in any of the items that I use in my video today, make sure you hit the description box below because I will have the links for everything. And if you guys could hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. We're going to be having new Ninja Foodi Grill recipes every single week. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those recipes. And let me know in the comments what you guys like on your Brussels sprouts. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so to get started, you're going to need your Brussels sprouts, of course. You will need, and I washed them and then took off the bad leaves. But we still need to cut off the ends and then half them. And then I'm using 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil and just some sea salt to taste. And then after we can add Parmesan cheese. But what I like to do is just cut them in half. Okay, so you're going to do this for all of them. And then we're going to go ahead and add this oil and the sea salt. So let's go ahead and actually start preheating while I cut those. So we're going to do air crisp. We're going to do 360. We'll leave it at 20 minutes, but it takes about 16 to 20 minutes depending on your size. These are fairly big, so we're going to go ahead and do 20 minutes. Go ahead and shut the lid. Oh, there we go. We'll shut the lid. And we'll be back. Alright, so we're back. I've already cut them in half. And we're just going to go ahead and add the grapeseed oil. Just mix it in. I'm just using a bowl. And then salt to taste. I'm using sea salt. You can use regular salt. I just want to make sure that I get the salt flavor. Just mix it in. We're going to go ahead and add it to our air fryer. And at the 8-minute mark, we'll go ahead and check on it, okay? Okay, so we're approaching the 12-minute mark. We're just going to go ahead and mix them up. You'll start to see them browning. And that's just the leaves getting crisp. So you just want to mix them up so that they can cook evenly, okay? So now we'll go ahead and continue another 8 minutes and then we'll check on them. Alright, so we're almost at the 8-minute mark, but we're about 6 minutes in from the last one, and they look about done. So they're nice and brown and crispy, and they're perfect on the inside. I cheated a little bit. I checked them before. Well, I check them right now. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and bring them out. Alright guys, so that is how you make Brussels sprouts in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming to you guys every single week. This year, 2020, will be the year for our Ninja Foodi Grill recipes. So hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you guys like to add on top of your Brussels sprouts after they're done, or do you guys season them with balsamic vinegar? What other things do you guys add? Let me know in the comments. But otherwise, you guys have a great night.